Hi, I'm Jack, and today we're going over proper technique for the cardio rower. First thing I'm going to do is set my resistance. I'll start in the middle today at about 5 or 6. Then I adjust the feet and snug my feet right in there, nice and snug. And when I do my stroke, I want a nice long stroke in. Pull it into the sternum just below your chest. Nice and long and deep. I see a lot of people sitting up straight and they're doing a short stroke. We want to involve our low back by really getting a long stroke. It'll get you more meters per stroke. Another thing that I see is people moving the handle up and down like a wave. They're going over their knee, where that puts slack on the chain and there's no tension on it whatsoever. We want to keep it nice and horizontal so that it has tension the whole time. We take an easy negative and a powerful positive. You take a break and then powerful. In through your nose, out through your mouth. It's a summation of forces with your legs, your upper body, all at the same time. And then when you're done, you put the handle back in the cradle, pop your feet out. It's a really great exercise. If you set the resistance high, you can really get your heart rate up there. Put the resistance in the middle and maybe use it for a little bit more of an endurance exercise. So keep working out, and thanks for